Notion Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the Notion Affiliate Program. If you're interested, you can find the links to the program and more details in the description below. Let's dive right in. Notion is a powerful, all-in-one workspace that allows users to take notes, manage tasks, organize projects, and collaborate seamlessly. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, student, or part of a large team, Notion provides a flexible and customizable platform to suit all your productivity needs. From task management to document organization, and even building databases, Notion does it all with a user-friendly interface. Now let's talk about the Notion Affiliate Program. The program is perfect for creators, influencers, and marketers who focus on productivity, organization, or digital tools. It's great for bloggers, YouTubers, and anyone's, with an audience that could benefit from Notion's capabilities. The affiliate program offers a generous commission structure where you earn a percentage of the sale when someone signs up for Notion's paid plan using your referral link. One of the standout features of Notion's affiliate program is its long cookie duration. You get credit for referrals for up to 30 days, which increases your chances of earning commissions. Plus, Notion's reputation as a leading productivity tool makes it easier to recommend, as many people already use it or have heard of it. It's a well-established popular product, making it a trusted option to promote. The affiliate program operates through the PartnerStack platform, giving affiliates access to real-time tracking of their earnings, performance, and referrals. This makes it simple to monitor your success and adjust your strategies for optimal results. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality affiliate program with a well-regarded tool like Notion, this is a solid option. Whether your audience is focused on organization, productivity, or digital workspace solutions, Notion's affiliate program offers a great way to monetize your content. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.